all of you who know, of course, Karnataka as a state is very large. But what makes Mangalore, a Kudla, very, very special is the fact that we are filled with warmth and we always embrace fashion accompanied with solid evidence that stands for the fact that beauty and brains are always accompanied with a person who is very genuine, where every smile is genuine, and that's what we Kudlites are. And having said that, it's time that we start. There are not too many people we know, but yes, time is what we have to adhere to, and we should start. Our contestants are ready, and I would like to know if all of you are. I'm sure there are not many people, but they say that if each person manages to give his or her best, he or she can be the loudest. I'm sure we have parents, we have family, we have friends, relatives, and our dear sponsors who are here. And if all of you say yes, then we'll be only glad to start. Can we begin?
I can as well go home with this yes. I mean, all of you are seated here, which means you're here to watch the show. But if you're not ready to watch the show, then it serves no purpose. Can we start? Okay, it's okay wala okay. Pannaga nanala chair pura jinjiditna nanala swaraba idu punya barseji jana dalakendu andu. So thank you so much. I will probably be satisfied with this enthusiasm for now. When the participants come in, your own friends, your own cousins or your own children come in, I hope all of you will clap better. Nikulerek support mantondullar akulu bannagala nikulu ite clap malpuna. Itena? I just want to know casually. I wouldn't want to know the name, but are you on behalf of any of a contestant here? Yes? Who is participating, ma'am?
Akash.
I mean, you're related to him. Like, is he your son, your niece? Your son. So when your son walks the ramp, are you just going to do this? No, right? You will scream for him, correct? What about the pretty girls here? Are you supporting someone specifically? Yes? It's a girl or a boy? It's a guy. So when you have this handsome, smart dude who walks the ramp, are you just going to be sitting? I mean, are you going to hoot, whistle, scream for him? Can I have a demo? If he's walking in now, what would you do? Yes? I think you can do that for me. Come on. Yes. What would you do when he's walking in? Just smile? I mean, so many women smiling at him. I'm sure he's a lucky man. But yes. Will you hoot for him? Make some noise for him? What would you do? Incha bangau. All right, will you scream? How will you scream? Will you scream? Scream for me once, all right? 3, 2, 1, go! Well, that's what we call, all right? We have that spirit, so let's keep that going because we will present to you our contestants in a bit. We have 11 men and 11 girls who will take part for the crowd, of course, which will be Mr. and Miss Karnataka International. Before which, I will have my duty to do. Of course, when you have 22 contestants, it is going to be a task to judge them. And that is what our jury and our judging panel here for. And let me have the pleasure of introducing them to you. Dr. Sapna Shashidharan. Please put your hands together for Dr. Sapna Shashidharan. Aesthetic dermatologist, the owner at the very popular Freya's Aesthetic Clinic and owner partner at VLCC Mangalore. She also is a consultant at VLCC Kannur, Kerala and Freya's Aesthetic Clinic, of course, with branches at our own Bangalore, Udupi and Manipal. Welcome you, ma'am. We are very, very pleased to have with us Mr. Chidambar Kulkarni, all the way from Amchi, Mumbai, of course. Sapnon Ki Nagaria, the owner of Tejas Entertainment and the managing director of Cinema, where, of course, we watch movies every single day. And he's also the managing director of Balaji Channel and director of 5-Star Properties. Welcome you, sir. Welcome you, sir. We will have them adorning the judge panel seating in a while. We're very, very pleased to have with us jury number 3 and judge number 3, Nimika Ratnakar, Miss India Super Talent 2017, having represented India at Miss Super Talent World. An actress who's of course had her recent hit Ramadhanya and movie in the making Kashmora with Sai Kumar and many more. She's also a singer, having shared playbacking with Rajesh Krishnan, and as a model for popular brands from Africa, New York, Canada and Hong Kong. Well, when we have a beauty taking stage, we certainly need some Mr. Handsome joining us, and that's Sandeep Shetty, Mr. Karnataka International 2017, a budding actor and at the same time titles to his credit, Nama Superstar, Mr. India, as well as Namaste India.
Tell me something I need to know.
He will crown the Mr. Karnataka International 2018 later this evening. So yes, he is the man in demand.
Space, I'll take the pleasure, take it with the pain. And if in the moment I bite my lip, baby, in that moment.
We also have with us Mr. Sana Sagar, and he of course owns and runs CNC.in, an entrepreneur who splits his time between Dubai and our own Kudla, owns Sana Middle East Technical Services in Dubai and Saudi for the past 8 years.
And if you really need me, you gotta to love me harder, love me harder. Love me.
Judge number 6, and she's very dear and near to us because she has been a part of our previous season, that is season 2 of Miss Karnataka and Mr. Karnataka International. Please put your hands up for Dr. Sharda Bangera, former Mrs. Universe and also a dietitian and yoga therapist by profession, runs her own Brindavan Nature Care and Yoga at the clinic being located at Derebel, Konchari.
Frozen waves where the past comes back to life. Fight fear for the selfish pain, it was worth it every time. Hold still right before we crash, cause we both know how this ends. A clock ticks.
And as they take their hot seats for the day, judging our participants for every single element that is very, very important. We've had grooming sessions from the last 3 days for the contestants where, of course, there's a lot of it that needs to be learnt about walking the ramp, how they smile right, how they speak right. Well, I hope I can learn a few tips too, but I'm not a contestant yet, so yes, I'll keep that aside. We have a jury panel who has been with the participants since day 1. They have been evaluating each and every move these participants do, and at the same time trying to groom them, and if they have what it takes to be Mr. and Miss Karnataka 2018, the international one, of course, they have had a very, very important role to play. So please do join me in welcoming our jury panel onto the stage, whose points over the last 3 days are very, very critical, and the winner today will be crowned not just by the points that are being given from the judges, but also the points that they have collected in the previous 3 days. So it is going to be a total of the previous 3 days plus their performance today. So join me as we have a special intro that comes on the LED wall of our eminent jury panel. A very, very warm welcome to the gentleman here. And as he walks around, something that he's really good at, once he's back, of course, I have a word or two that I'd like to ask him. Well, nice to have you back. And having said that, I mean, you've been sharing stage with the participants all the 3 days, trying to groom them and try to make them appear smarter. So how has it been this entire journey of the last 3-4 days for you?
Okay. So this is the third time I've been associated with Fashion ABCD. And every time I see the quality of the contestants has been improving. Okay, so we need to be fair with them. We never tell that you are good. But today I need to accept that, the guys are great. Starting from fitness session to understanding, it's like nobody's perfect, but, having improved there over the time is pretty kind of a rate of excellence is pretty good. So, I can say like this platform has given a break to a lot of stars, and hopefully, continue going forward, this platform will give rise to more and more stars. Maybe we'll see a lot of familiar faces, what you're seeing today in our Bollywood as well as Sandalwood movies.
Thank you so much. Like he says, life is a journey where you get better and you improve your own self, probably looking at the mirror than some other pretty or handsome face. So, well, let's get better ourselves. But on stage at the moment, we'd like to introduce you to jury number 2 as the intro is played on the LED wall.
Welcome you, ma'am.
ಅರಳೋ ತಾವರೆಯೇ ಪಿಡಿಯೇ ಕೈ ಪಿಡಿಯೇ ಮಿನುಗೋ ಮಳೆಹನಿಯೇ ದಡಗಿಳಿಯೇ ಕವಿಯ ಕಾಗುಣಿತ ವಿವರ ಅನವರತ ಗುಣಿಯೇ ತಕದಿಮಿತ ಹರಗಿಣಿಯೇ.
Welcome you, ma'am. Nice to have you here at our own Kudla. And having said that, of course, I'm sure everybody tunes into Kicha Sudeep's Bigg Boss every single day that it runs on Colors Kannada. But yes, she is the lady behind the attires and the costumes that you see the contestants wear. She'd been associated with Bigg Boss Season 5 in our own Kannada. And at the same time, of course, ensuring that all the celebrities that she designs costume for look very, very presentable and nice. Nice to have you here, ma'am. A word or two that you'd like to share with us, please, about how it's been?
I don't know, I'm speechless. It's a wow feeling. At the same time, coming to the event, today's kids are really open to a lot of ideas. They want to know more things. They want to learn more things. If they want to go out of the way and they want to do it, they're ready to do it. The best part about them, they are coming to us and asking, what's that we can do better? Where is it we are lagging? Can you help us? So that's something, probably it's a short span that they cannot or they could try, but the very motto behind it, let's try and do and let's know where our weakness lies. That is something I really appreciated because this is the first time that I'm associated with Fashion ABCD and it's been a wonderful experience. So I thank Sonal and Charan for it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Well, yes, miracles do not happen overnight. It takes years of hard work, like she rightly said. And now we would like to present before you our very own and, of course, very important jury number 3.
Bhaumik Sampath. Bhaumik Sampath is a Bollywood actor and is known for his films Samrat and Company, produced by Rajashri Productions. He was hailed for his lead role in Bollywood rom-com Sadda Adda, in which he played as Irfan.
सभी लड़कों की तरफ से आप सभी लड़कियों को रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ कि लाइन देती हैं तो पूरी दिया कीजिए। ये मजे लेकर निकल जाने की आदत छोड़ दीजिए। आप जानते नहीं हम बड़े टची हो जाते हैं मिनटों में।
He is waiting for his upcoming movie release, Kapat. He also featured in ads like Dabur Vatika, Britannia, Cadbury, Eclairs, Reliance Health Insurance, Reliance General Insurance, etc.
माफी मांगनी है तो इस अबला से मांगो जिसका तुम तबला बजाने जा रहे थे।
We welcome you, sir.
Welcome you too, sir. And having said that, of course, your journey with us over the last few days, I'm sure it's been a bounty full of surprises, a lot of improvement that you probably have suggested to the boys and girls.
Hi, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a tough time since last 2 days. The boys, the girls have learnt too much. I'm sure they'll take the best out of it. And besides that, we have judges here. What we can take out from the contestant, we have done it. Besides that, all the best to all of them. Whatever they do, I hope they'll do their best. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so very much. May I please request you to occupy the seats on the front rows. I'm sure they would certainly like to have a very, very close look as to how the participants have developed over the last few days and how their suggestions and advices have been paid heed to, and they will certainly reflect it, say in about 25 seconds, because it's now time for the action to begin, because we have our very own contestants who will take stage the first round, which will be our own ethnic round. Like they say, nothing can be probably prettier than a sari for an Indian woman, and nothing that can make a man look smarter than a very own dhoti kurta. So that is what we have. Theme 1, which is going to be ethnic round, where each of the participants will take stage based on their contestant number. Get ready to clap for your favorite contestant, because we begin with the first round, which is the ethnic round. And yes, it is going to be a kickstart of Mr. and Miss Karnataka International 2018. And the very crucial role comes here. Well, we all know Mangalore is a very special city. And to introduce a concept called fashion is not something new, but what was introduced to Mangalore with a bold initiative, with a very good heart, was the concept of beauty pageants. I'm sure back in the days when most of the men and women didn't have that opportunity to walk the ramp in our own Kudla, all of us were disappointed. But thanks to Fashion ABCD, over the last 5-6 years, there are smart men and women who have this platform to walk the ramp, and I'm sure they consider themselves lucky, because they truly are. We would like to let you know what Fashion ABCD does and how the directors of Fashion ABCD, the 3 people who run this show now, have worked hard towards it. We have directors Charan Suvarna, Mrs. Anupama Suvarna, and Sonal Montero, the directors of Fashion ABCD, who today are very proud owners of these brands that run the fashion show. On the LED wall, a quick snippet at what Fashion ABCD does.
Fashion. When you hear that word, you may very well think of ditzy supermodels who strut around in expensive name brand pieces of fabric. But what you most likely don't think of is an art, a career, a passion, or a lifestyle. Fashion can promote creativity that is very important in culture, society, and religion. It can make you look and feel more professional. Fashion is a style of living. There are aristocratic fashion, film style fashion, peasant class fashion, and a kind of fashion known as maverick fashion. Naturally, it is related to dress and manners, but manners implies something deeper than fashion. Because fashion is comparatively superficial, and changes with the winds of change in certain races and people. We all need fashion because fashion is always better. And to cater to the needs of fashion and also give an extreme makeover to one's personality and career. Fashion ABCD, founded by Charan Suvarna and Anupama Charan Suvarna, are in beauty pageants and grooming of models. Our Fashion ABCD groomed models have been recognized by many national and international beauty pageant organizations. Fashion ABCD has been recognized by many reputed international beauty pageant organizations and have offered their Indian Bank and South Asian franchisees. Fashion ABCD started its operations in Mangalore in the year 2010 as Model Training and Grooming Institute. The founders are proud to say our success ratio is 90% for female models. Many are making it big in Sandalwood film industry, Tamil films, Tulu films, Malayalam films, and a few are entering into Bollywood. Fashion. When you hear that word, you may very well think of ditzy supermodels who strut around in expensive name brand pieces of fabric. But what you most likely don't think of is an art, a career, a passion, or a lifestyle. Fashion can promote creativity that is very important in culture, society, and religion. It can make you look and feel more professional. Fashion is a style of living. There are aristocratic fashion, film style fashion, peasant class fashion, and a kind of fashion known as maverick fashion. Naturally, it is related to dress and manners, but manners implies something deeper than fashion. Because fashion is comparatively superficial and changes with the winds of change in certain races and people. We all need fashion because fashion is always better. And to cater to the needs of fashion and also give an extreme makeover to one's personality and career. Fashion ABCD, founded by Charan Suvarna and Anupama Charan Suvarna, are in beauty pageants and grooming of models. Our Fashion ABCD groomed models have been recognized by many national and international beauty pageant organizations. Fashion ABCD has been recognized by many reputed international beauty pageant organizations and have offered their Indian Bank and South Asian franchisees. Fashion ABCD started its operations in Mangalore in the year 2010 as Model Training and Grooming Institute. The founders are proud to say our success ratio is 90% for female models. Many are making it big in Sandalwood film industry, Tamil films, Tulu films, Malayalam films, and a few are entering into Bollywood. Sonal Montero, model and actress. At present, Miss Sonal Montero is one of the directors of Fashion ABCD, who started her career participating in Miss Mangalore and winning Miss Beautiful Smile. She clinched a big banner coastalwood film, Ekka Saka, which became a blockbuster hit, and then went in an acting spree with 3 coastalwood films, 5 sandalwood films, and now entering Bollywood with Sajan Chale Sasural 2, produced by Mansoor Ahmed Siddiqui. Miss Sonal Montero has judged more than 10 national beauty pageants. We welcome you on board, ma'am.
And we are very, very pleased that we have Sonal here with us. Can we have you joining us on stage for a minute? Charan Suvarna and Mrs. Anupama Suvarna, like you know, and they will join us on stage too. We have them, yes. grows younger by the year. He never grows old, so we call him the handsome, dynamic man there. And there we have the couple who walk stage. And yes, our contestants are ready. All the nervousness is probably synced in a little thanks to some drama that we're having backstage. We present before you, ladies and gentlemen, all the 22 contestants for Mr. and Miss Karnataka International 2018. Well, you've had a look at all the participants, ladies and gentlemen, the contestants for Mr. and Miss Karnataka International 2018 Round 1, the ethnic round. And the choreographer for the season, please put your hands up for Bhumika Bandari Agarwal. Welcome you, ma'am. Pleased to have you here with us. And we would also like to welcome on stage our designer all the way from Bengaluru, Veeradhya. Well, now I'll have to take center stage, so I'll have to sneak in and find my way out, and I join you all because it's time for us to have the introductions of these participants, the boys and the girls alike. Each one of them, of course, have their own identity, and let's listen to what they have to say as we begin with the introductions of participants. And like all of you know, we will not be recognizing them with their names, but with their badges, which represent their participation number. And I hand it over to the gentleman here on my left hand side, and the introductions will follow respectively as we get to know a little more in tits and bits about the participants for Mr. and Miss Karnataka International 2018. Good luck to all of you, and I begin with you. Over to you. You can pass it on once the introductions are done. Good luck.
Hello everyone, a pleasant good evening to one and all. I am Chetan Devraj from Asan. I am doing my graduation in marine engineering. I am Popular Face 2017 and I work as a volunteer for non-profitable association for specially abled orphan kids. Thank you.
Dedication is the word that inspires me a lot. I have a very beautiful family behind me which I could see spark in their eyes each and every day, which gives me confidence and energy to do work even more harder. My biggest dream is to represent my village in a big stage. Today I consider this beautiful platform is one of the best opportunity for me to express myself. My name is Shravan and I'm 18 years old.
Good evening everyone. I'm Vimal from Bangalore. I'm currently working for a Dubai company for 2 years. Thank you.
Fashion is something that comes from within. Good evening, everyone. My name is JP Ritvik. I'm currently studying in NITTE, Surat Kal. Thank you.
My name is Pritesh Acharya from Sulya. I'm studying fashion designing at Glory College. I want to be a model as well as designer. Thank you.
Hi, good evening everyone. Good evening judges. Myself Darshit and I am from Karkala. Currently, I am working in the Adani groups and basically I am a dancer and I am here to represent myself in Mr. Karnataka and I love fashion. Thank you.
One day, your entire life is going to flash before your eyes, so make it worth watching. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Here I am, Akash Bhatt, 21 years old, born and brought up in Mangalore, currently pursuing his degree from Father Muller Medical College, Mangalore. Never give up. These are the 3 words I base my life upon. So, no matter how many times I fail, I always get back up stronger than before. I am the phoenix that rises from the ashes. I hope everyone has a wonderful evening tonight. Thank you.
Peace is within us. Do not seek it without. Good evening, all. My name is Abhijit B. Nair. I am from Bengaluru, and I am a fashion designer. And I am proud to be one of the contestant finalists for Mr. Karnataka 2018, organized by Fashion ABCD. And I am here to win it. Thank you.
Good evening, judges and everyone gathered here. Myself, Sairam, and I'm from Mangalore. I'm currently pursuing my graduation in St. Aloysius Evening College. Modeling is my passion, and I'm here. I always believe that we are all equal as human beings, and we could be anyone if we put in time and we can reach the top. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Abhishek and I am from Davangere. I am doing my BCom. Well, thank you.
Hi, good evening for all the beautiful souls present over here. I am Darshan from Mysuru. I completed my BCom at SBRR Mahajanas First Grade College, Mysuru. My hobbies are filmmaking, gymming, cycling, etc. It takes nothing to join the crowd. It takes everything to stand alone. Thank you.
Inspiring and motivating. That is what defines me. A simple girl with big dreams. A very good afternoon and a very good evening to one and all. Respected judges and everyone gathered here. My name is Shefali Saldana. I'm from Mangalore and I'm currently pursuing my MBA. I'm a very good singer, a classical dancer, a public speaker, and also an occasional writer. I strongly believe in three things. That is desire, passion, and perseverance. Because if anyone has these three things in them, I know that they can achieve anything that they want to achieve. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Ishika Shetty. I'm pursuing my 12th grade at St. Agnes College, Mangalore. Ever since I was a kid, I had a dream of having tiara over my head, heels under my feet, and grace. So today, I'm here to fulfill my dreams. Thank you.
I believe that beauty has a purpose, and if we set our mind to it, only sky is the limit. Good evening, everyone. I am Amrita, and I'm currently working as a software developer in Robosoft Technologies. Other than this, I'm also an anchor, writer, and also an actor. I believe that dedication, wholeheartedness, and persistence can take you a long way. I am really proud and honored to be on this stage today as one of the finalists of Miss Karnataka. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Dr. Janvi Jyoti from the city Bengaluru. I am studying, I finished my dentistry and I'm an actress professionally. I studied about how to make people good when they smile, and I also got to know it is more important them to smile when I'm on screen. So I'm professionally an actress. I am a dancer, singer. Though I am beautiful, talented, and I've experienced in all the theatrical plays, it was a very hardship for me, and it was never a cakewalk. Now, here I am because of my persistence and patience to win this Miss Karnataka 2018. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone present over here. I'm just going to keep my introduction really simple. So, my name is Rimple, and I'm from Manipal University, basically from Manipal, and I'm pursuing my degree in occupational therapy. And my hobbies are mostly dancing, then involving in adventurous activity, as well as I like to do social work a lot. Currently, I am an Executive Chief Advisory Board member of CEO Foundation, which is one of the NGOs, which is having a headquarters in Hyderabad and also in Manipal. Right now, we are working on various aspects of life of certain population who are not really as grateful to get opportunities like as we have. Like they're not even having transportation, not having proper sanitation and hygiene, as well as not even proper education facilities. So I am working my bit on it. And for me to be here, the purpose is I want to be a beauty with a purpose. How, as in I am already so much into social work. So I would like to win this crown, and via this, I would like to work upon those people. I would like to focus on those people who are not that privileged to have this much as much as we have. As well as I have taken occupational therapy as my profession because I come from a background where I have a sister who's having cerebral palsy. So I know how it feels and how truly it is to have a member who is actually differently able. I won't use the term physically disabled because I consider her as very active and very energetic and very powerful in every aspect of life. So I just made bit of mine, and I expect to win this so that I can go forward and do better for other people, whoever I can approach to. Thank you.
Namaskaram, Mangaluru, and good evening, judges. Myself, Simbita Nayak. I'm contestant number 6. I'm an MBA graduate. I'm basically from Karwar, Uttar Kannada. I believe in achieving big dreams. So here I am to achieve one. Thanks a ton. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Myself Susma Nirola from the state called Sikkim. I am currently doing my BSc Nursing 3rd year. Since 3 years I am here. Like every girl, I also had a dream of wearing a crown on my head and heels on my feet. So today I am here, standing in front of you all, interacting with you all. And yeah, beauty pageant isn't something who has a beautiful face and a perfect body shape. It is something who has a beautiful heart and who can work for a better cause. So I am here to be the winner. I hope it will be the best for us. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Amanda June Lasrado. I am from Mangalore. I am currently studying my 2nd year degree at St. Aloysius College. The reason for me to be here today is with the hope that one day I will be able to see people's faces with smiles when they call out my name. Thank you.
I believe no one can go back and start a new beginning, but everyone can start today and create a new ending. So always believe in yourself and never give up on your life. My name is Manisha and I am from Bangalore. I work in a hotel industry that's called as well as a hospitality industry as a front office executive in Hilton. And my hobbies are to travel and to explore every small points and everything in the world. And my passion has fueled me to reach here where I am today and to win the pageant. Thank you.
Oprah Winfrey once said, "The biggest adventure you can have is to live the life of your dreams." Good evening, judges, and to one and all present here. I'm Vidhatri Sahokar from the traditional city of Karnataka, Mysore. Being a student of clinical research as my profession and a model and a dancer as my passion, I believe nothing worth having comes easy. It's the dedication, determination, and persistence which has driven me to be the best at what I perceive. So here I am today to win the crown and to live the dreams of my life. Thank you. I hope you all have a lovely evening.
Living a life that is more strongly driven by curiosity than fear. My name is Frida Arana, currently pursuing my final year BSc in St. Aloysius College, along with my certificate courses, RJ, Food Safety, and Applicances Analysis. And there is no substitution for hard work. I am here to learn and experience new things which will help me grow. I am honored to be a finalist of Miss Karnataka International. Thank you for this opportunity.
Well, we are done with the introductions of the 22 participants. Of course, 11 for Mr. Karnataka International and 11 for Miss Karnataka International. Knowing a few things about them, what will matter truly in the rounds ahead will be how talented they are and how they answered the queries from the judges later on in the 2nd and the 3rd round. Before the 2nd round begins, which is going to be a very, very casual beach-based round, where they say, of course, men and women, of course, cannot do without denim. I cannot imagine a day without a denim at home or when I go out. So yes, denims are a must. So without a jean, I'm sure our wardrobe is incomplete. So we will have the second round, which will be the casual denim round that has been specially choreographed, and we will have the Sizzling Guys dance crew who will join our participants on stage for the very casual denim round. And having said that, before the dancers take stage for a very special Ganesha performance, I'm very, very pleased to see a few common faces here with me. And like they say, every film industry starts from scratch. We have never had stars who are born in a day. We have never had famous producers or directors completing a movie in a day. Movie making could take a month, a year or more, or probably about 15 to 20 days, but there's a lot of hard work that goes behind it. And inspired by this philosophy, our own Tulu film industry, which is growing at a very, very fast pace. Coastal Wood is what we call it. And we have people from Coastal Wood who create stars. We have people from Coastal Wood here today who ensure that everything on screen looks pleasant, that action, of course, looks likable and realistic, not realistic with one car flying all over the top. But yes, Tulu cinema certainly is growing, and we are very, very proud. We have filmmakers and popular cinematographers here with us this wonderful evening. I would certainly like to welcome them on to this wonderful evening. Please applaud for them. We have hat-trick director Suraj Shetty, that is Suraj Anna, that's how we call him, with great love, who's here with us. A very, very warm welcome to you, sir. Swagata iregu bari kushi ani baidare. Like, you know, a hat-trick director is always about ensuring that every movie beats the other par excellence, and always humble with this approach to cinema. We're very, very pleased to have him here with us. We all know how movies have become popular. Yes, Pilivalya Munaka, and now Ammed Polisa, which is running full house and has a record of collection exceeding 40 lakhs in just 3 days, which is certainly a record that we Tuluwas should be proud of. And we are only wishing him good luck for the next movies that he has in line. And his very good friend, he's worked with his projects in the past in Pilivalya Munaka and Ekasakatu, will very soon venture out himself as a director for another Tulu movie, which we'll very soon see. We're very, very pleased to have Mayur Shetty with us. A very warm welcome to you too. We are also very, very pleased to have with us another dynamic personality from Tulu film industry who ensures that everything goes right on sets, and of course hard work certainly gives them that success. A very warm welcome to Sandy. A very warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for being here with us. And the man who's seated right next to them, the man in yellow there, and a good friend, so gives me great pride in introducing him today. Well, I used to call him the biker man because he is, of course, a biker by passion, and yes, a very, very talented cinematographer who's making all of us proud by experimenting with this extremely skilled camera skills that's required with Ammed Polisa. A round of applause there for Sachin Shetty, please. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for being here with us. And now we have a special performance which is going to be from Sizzling Guys dance crew. Ever since Fashion ABCD has had its concepts of fashion, they've always ensured there is art and there is dance. And when you say dance, of course, we always have the team led by Shubhakiran Mani, which is always one of the finest that we see in the state, having won various awards that include the 7-Up Talent Hunt with a whopping sum that they got as a gift. The only team from South India to have won it initially, and the other teams only followed, pursued. For having set that trend, please put your hands up for their special performance today, the Sizzling Guys dance crew. Thank you so much. That was a Sizzling Guys dance crew. And now we have a very special event that takes place on stage. We are going to witness the launch of Mrs. and Miss World Supermodel South Asia, a beauty pageant that will be held in the very beautiful country, of course, truly Asia, that's their tagline, Malaysia. This beauty pageant that will be held in Malaysia very, very soon is going to be Mrs. and Miss World Supermodel South Asia. And this event is going to be conceptualized, and it is the brainchild of Fashion ABCD and Tejas Entertainment. Well, we all know we have the managing director of Tejas Entertainment here with us this wonderful evening as a jury member. We would like to request directors for Fashion ABCD, Shri Charan Suvarna, Mrs. Anupama Suvarna, Sonal Montero, as well as the managing director for Tejas Entertainment, our very own Chidambar Kulkarni ji, to join us on stage for the launch of this one, please. ABCD with, of course, Mangaloreans who are based out of it, and now they venture out not just to the country but outside the country as well with their dream project, Mrs. and Miss World Supermodel South Asia. And may I please request that the brochure for the same be present on stage, and as it is being presented, we have the launch too. And a special announcement that all the future fashion events that Fashion ABCD has been doing in the past will now be jointly supported by Tejas Entertainment, and they merge together for all the future fashion projects. A new journey begins for Fashion ABCD and Tejas Entertainment. And on that happy note, of course, we would like to request Chidambar ji to speak a few words.
Hi everyone. Charan is doing very good job here, and as he's doing everywhere, these events, all the events are very good. Okay, so that is the main reason Tejas Entertainment and Mr. Charan, the Fashion ABCD, had joined the hands to come with all the new events with the new look and new features. Yeah, that's it. That's only I can say. Thank you.
Henceforth, all our pageants will be a joint pageants. It is Fashion ABCD and Tejas Entertainment pageants from today onwards. Thank you. I want Sonal Montero and Anupama Suvarna too.
I would like to thank Chidambar sir for being here today. And this event is going to be our first international event. So your support will definitely be very important to us. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Yes, this is a long journey that has made us reach this platform today. It is my husband's dedication and the support from the family members that we are able to achieve this. Thank you, one and all. Mangalore, yes, it has supported us a lot from the inception of Fashion ABCD. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so very much. May I please request you to join us amongst the audience? Well, we've had a break. Like I said, it's going to be the denim round that our participants take stage with next. And we have the Sizzling Guys dance crew who's going to give them some company. It's not going to be a normal ramp walk that you witness. There's going to be some masala, hopefully. And if you're ready for change, and if you're ready for another new concept to be introduced, as we have our judges who have taken a break and I see them joining us. If all of you are set for round number 2, we would like to begin. Remember, there's the very, very exciting round number 3, which is the evening gown round 2. So please get up, get that energy on board, because we present to you in the new avatar our participants for Mr. and Miss Karnataka International 2018. Please make some noise for them. Welcome them on stage one more time. Everyone, make some noise for them. Come on.
She likes fashion. She likes fashion. likes passion. She likes
boys, parties, style, fame,
she likes
glamour, runway, style.
Well, that's with the denim round, and like I said, this concept has been choreographed by Shubhakiran Mani and his team from Sizzling Eyes Dance Crew. And Shubhakiran Mani is someone who's always dynamic and creative with his dance ideas and ensures that everything is done in a very, very unique and special way. Our very own man in the black cap, Shubhakiran Mani. We are done with round 2. What we'll have to now wait for is round number 3. And it is in this round that the caliber of our participants will be tested in terms of not just their presentation skills, in terms of their appearance and body language, but also their verbal language, which is very, very important. But before that happens, we have yet another small tradition, which is of course recognizing and honoring talent that we see around the country. And tonight we are very, very pleased to introduce one such personality to you all who will represent India at Miss Bikini Universe. And we are very, very pleased to have her here with us this evening. She's coming all the way from Bombay, a very popular actress and a model who walks the ramp for popular brands. But today we would like to felicitate her for the achievement that we have, that she will be representing India in a very bold, but yes, globally a trend that it is, Miss Bikini Universe 2018, which will be held in China during the month of October. Ladies and gentlemen, please applaud, put your hands up together, because we present to you on stage the very bold and the beautiful Miss Archana Gautam. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Archana Gautam for you, and we wish her the very, very best for the pageant Miss Bikini Universe 2018 that will be held at China. I request her to please stay back here with us, because when we have a pretty lady, of course, we need another pretty one on stage. And to present her with the honor, may I please request Nimika Ratnakar to please join us on stage and do the honors of presenting her with a sash and of course an honor on behalf of Fashion ABCD and Tejas Entertainment. We said the entire country is wishing her good luck and sending all our prayers in as she takes part in the finale, which is going to be Miss Bikini Universe 2018, and yes, going to be held in our neighboring country, China, but all over the world and the globe, participants that she will have to compete with, and our own, of course, country, and all of us from Kudla wishing her the good luck for the same. Archana Gautam. A quick photograph, there we go. And may I please request Archana as well as our dignitaries to take back their seats amongst the audience. And now we produce yet another teenage talent that was dug out right from our own Bangalore. And today, she's not just a part of Coastal Wood or the Konkani movie industry, or for that matter, Sandalwood. She is making her presence felt in Bollywood too. She'll be very, very soon sharing screen space with the very popular Sharma Joshi, and it will be soul written story 2 that she stars in, and we are very, very pleased that she is a part of our team of Fashion ABCD. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming teenage talent Joshita Anola Rodriguez onto the stage, World Teen Supermodel South Asia 2017 and Miss Glory of Galaxy 2018. Already with her names on Konkani Cinema and a model for popular brands. Like I said, Soul returns, and that's where you will see her on screen in Bollywood. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting before you, Joshita Anola Rodriguez. Well, that was a pretty damsel in the making for you. And up next is going to be another talent from our own Mangaluru. Well, she's growing up. They say it's adults who refuse to admit their age and grow up. But kids always enjoy growing up. And with dance, she's been growing up from the last few years. Still remember hosting on stage where she started to perform when she was 3 or 4. And now, of course, there she is sharing stage with us today. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands up for our own Mangalorean and, of course, budding young dancer Rakshita on stage.
find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast, and though we talk slow. Girl. I'm in love with your body. Shape of you.
Everybody dance now.
There we go. Rakshita joins us back after the dance performance. Yeah, nenne pilikulu nalipuna puran derla taati bachirna pura pilikulu jaidan ennodu panda punya nikul pura botti adu. So thank you so much. And thank you so much, Viral. I'll see you backstage. That's Rakshita for us. And up next is going to be yet another special moment because, like you know, to groom the participants over the last week, to try to tell them, to motivate them to do better, and at the same time today to judge all the participants, it certainly requires that expertise and that level of patience. I would now like to heartily request our judging panel as well as our jury members to please join us on stage and receive a token of heartfelt appreciation from the directors of Fashion ABCD. May I please request Charan Suvarna, Mrs. Anupama Suvarna as well as Sonal Montero to join us on stage to welcome our jury as well as judging panel and present them with a memento. Requesting the directors for Fashion ABCD to kindly present a memento to our jury as well as judging panel. To each one of you, thank you so much for being a part of our jury. We are really, really grateful for your presence and of course your contribution in ensuring that they go a long way. Thank you so much, the jury panel as well as the judging panel. Thank you so much. Requesting you to accept your seats, the hot seats that are truly yours. This nature certainly requires a lot of support, and that is what our sponsors have rendered to us. And we are ever grateful to our sponsors for having been associated with us and telling us no matter where it is, we are around you. And probably that is the key reason why Fashion ABCD sticks to having its venues in Mangalore, because when we have our own Kudla, why go to bigger cities? And in trying to promote that concept in Kudla, we are very, very grateful to be associated with our sponsors and associates, of course, who have been partners, and we would like to request them to join us on stage and receive a memento too. May I please request Charan Suvarna and Anupama Suvarna and Sonal Montero to be present in and around, because we would like to request our sponsors to join us on stage and receive a token of our heartfelt appreciation. I would like to request the store head for Mangalore Central, Sri Yashpal, to please join us on stage and receive a token of our heartfelt appreciation. They are our fashion partners, style partners for the event. Thank you so much to the entire team of Mangalore Central. We are also very pleased to be associated with Pulse Sounds, who have been associated with us and are the sound and light sponsors for the event. Could I please request one of the crew members from Pulse Sounds to kindly join us on stage? We're also pleased to be associated with Sterling Holidays, and may I please request the representative who's come and joined us here for this wonderful event to join us on stage too and receive a heartfelt appreciation from our end. Thank you so much. Of course, I'm very proud to have been a part of them since probably 7 or 8 years. I've lost count. May I please request the Managing Director for V4 News 24/7, Lakshman Kundar, to please join us on stage. He says, I speak on his behalf. Thank you so much. I'm sure his entire team is very proud to be associated with Charan Suvarna Rights as the star. So thank you so much, sir, for being here with us. Thank you. And we're also pleased to have another popular person here with us. I'm always glad when he's around because he ensures he smiles and I smile and everybody else smiles. The very, very popular Manju Rai, who's here with us. I don't think he needs an introduction in Tulu cinema. So there he is. Yes, please do the honors. A round of applause, please, to Manju Rai there, one of the finest stand-up comedians that we have as a stand-up comedian, but as an actor and as an artist, of course. Immense talent and immense respect that he has for art, always humble, and yes, forever ready to perform no matter where the stage is. And to that wonderful man that he is, there we go. And Manju Anna, of course, speak in English only, huh? No Kannada, no Tulu, huh, today? Why, yeah? Please, yeah, little, yeah.
I'm very comfortable in English, actually. So, I'll talk to in English only.
Okay, fine. Ini Tulu la bachige, Kannada la bachige. Pannaga, ini arna level onji high pon. Ancha, he says he will speak only in English. Because you said you will speak only in English now, can I please request you to speak a few words about the contestants?
Actually, I said only English. I don't want hi-fi English, yours. I can't understand. You are telling, actually, this is, mine is English. That is double English. She is etting some words, etting one engine, Tulu. So, hi everyone. You are here. I am very happy. Hi everyone, you are here. I am very happy to check. All Amara did. I am very happy to check. I am a part of this program. All beautiful girls and beautiful women and beautiful girls. Again, I am really happy. You have a bright future, girls. And beautiful boys. Beautiful handsome boys. Actually, I know some check. I know so many languages. I can talk in English, I can walk in English, I can speak in English, I can sleep in English. Because here I should talk in English only because so many beautiful girls are here. If I not talk in English means that is very check.
ఇరు విమెన్స్ గర్ల్స్ ఇప్పుడు ఎదురు పోయిన తోజున్న ఇజ్జంగా అల్పన ఉంచుదారు బస్ ఎదురే పోబుది ఎంచిన.
Actually, I know Madhu, she is a very beautiful woman. So, I spoke 5 years back, actually, I met her. So, I am very happy to be here because she is one of main part of this program. And really thanks to Charan sir and my bestie, Sonal Montero. Here, my bestie Pandago friend. She's my good friend, Sonal Montero. And director Suraj Shetty, Mayur Shetty. Sandy sis Sonal Montero, thank you. And everyone, I'll not kill your time. So, thank you. You should continue your program. Thank you, one and all. Thank you. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu. Pater avakasha korne solmelo dayamalta bejar mulku. Thank you.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಮೂಲ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಬರ್ತಾರತ್ತ ಅವು ಒಂದು ಖುಷಿಯಾನ್ ಯಾನೇ ನೀರು ಡಬಲ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಬಂದು ನಾನು ಹಿಂದಿಲ ಬಾತೇರೋರ ಇನ್ನಿಯೇ ಮೈಕ್ ಕೆಟ್ಟಿನಿ ಎಂಕ ನಾನೊಂಜಿ ಮೈಕ್ ಕೊರಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ನಿಯೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆವಂದೆ ಕುಲ್ದಿನಿ ಬಲೆ ಪೋಯ್ ಪೋಯ್. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to very dear own Manju Rai. Thank you so much, Anna, for being here with us. A pleasure to have you. And we are also very, very pleased to have here with us the Assistant Commissioner for Police, Shri Jagdish sir. A very warm welcome to you. Can I please request you to join us on stage for a minute and receive a token of our heartfelt appreciation. Ladies and gentlemen, of course, law enforcement, which is very, very important for us. And Dakshin Kannada, no matter what, has always stood united. And we are very, very pleased to have him here with us. Thank you so much for your presence here, sir. Yes, and on that note, may I please request Charan sir to present him with a memento as a token of our heartfelt appreciation. That's over to Manju Rai. Thank you so much, Manjana. Now we also have another important person who will join us, Mustafa Premi ji, for Heaven Rose, who's always been associated with the beauty pageants that we have. A token of appreciation to him too.
Thank you very much. बहुत ही खूबसूरत है हमारा मैंगलोर और इस मैंगलोर के अंदर मिस्टर चरण स्वर्णा सर ने जो मॉडल्स पेश किए हैं अब तक वाकई में हमारे इंडिया में आने वाले टाइम में इंडिया ही नहीं नेशनल लेवल तक इंटरनेशनल लेवल तक अपनी धाक जमाने वाले हैं। और मैंने इसीलिए चाहा ये जो मेरा प्यार है ये अवार्ड जो है मैं अपनी ब्रांड एम्बेसडर मिस सोनल मेंटेरो के हाथ से लेना चाहूँगा। सॉरी, थैंक यू थैंक यू। अरे यार किधर है इतनी खूबसूरत लड़की जरा देख तो ले। थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you so much, Mustafa Premi ji. And like I said, Veeradhya have been associated with us for this entire pageant. And we are glad that all the way from Bengaluru, they've made it here. They've ensured that the coordinations for the various designs and ideas that our participants and the organizers had in mind was mixed and gelled with very, very well. May I please request the brainchilds behind Veeradhya, the two beautiful women, to please join us on stage and receive a memento too. Very, very beautifully Edolden is also designed by them, Veeradhya. The ramp in the evening gown and the men, of course, in the evening attire, and these have been designed by Classic Curves, and we're very glad to be associated with them. May I please request Sri Charan Suvarna to present them with the memento too. Thankful to each one of you who are present here, and yes, a word goes without specifying. We are very, very grateful to our friends from media and the press who always supported the various pageants that include the previous seasons, and this season being season number 3. It's number 3, that means it's round number 3 that we witness up next. Please gear up because this is going to be the decider, after which we will know who wins the various subtitles and who wins the crown, as well as, of course, the sash. So Mr. and Miss Karnataka International 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, we present before you the evening round, the evening attire round. And the showstopper for the event will be our very own Joshita, who will walk hand in hand with the designers for the round, Classic Curves. we come to the important aspect, which is going to be the questionnaire round. Our judges will handpick a contestant whom they would like to question. So it's going to be the other way round. And with this change, important decisions, of course, are done. Good luck to all of you as you answer a question that you get from a judge who picks you. So let's see who picks the first participant and how we flow it forward. I will pass on the mic to the first participant who was picked by a judge, and you can pass it on to the next contestant once the flow continues. We have with us our judges, of course, the 6-member judging panel who are judging all these participants, and the first judge who will pick her contestant and decide what she wants to ask will be Nimika.
Check. Thank you so much. Baidina Pura Regla, a very good evening, and thank you for choosing me first. Well, I would like to choose contestant number 9.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, you're most welcome. Well, since I'm from the industry, from the film industry, I have a question for you with respect to a very important personality that I'm very fond of. That is Dr. Rajkumar. So my question for you is, mention a few titles that you know that Dr. Rajkumar has received, and also tell me one quality of his that you would want to adapt in your life.
Thank you for the question, ma'am. As we all know, he was a person who was very, very determined, and he had a very good determination. He started his life with a scratch, and we all know that. But he certainly grew up very high, and I don't think so I would adapt only one thing from him, because I think I would go for many more certain no certain bad thing about him. It's all, everything is good. So, and he has won Padma Vibhushan, Karnataka Ratna, and a Filmfare Award for the Best Actor.
Yeah, thanks, but my question was titles. So titles like Nata Sarvabhauma, like Padma Bhushan is quite right. So I was just expecting that. And yeah, like you said, of course, he has had a lot of things that you can adapt in your life. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well, if you could have the judges taking turns by themselves instead of me assigning one each, I think that'll, of course, reduce half the amount of time that'll be wasted and route 6 of them. So I'm sure you can take your pick and the contestants will answer themselves.
Hi. In girls, I want to question batch number 8.
Thank you for picking me, sir.
Great, you are a doctor. But see, you are very good. Yesterday also I seen your some activities. Okay, and
thank you, sir.
What you want to achieve in this industry as you are a doctor? See, as you have completed your good education, same way what you want to achieve in this industry?
Since I am in film industry since 1 year, so I wanted to be perfect in all the aspects, like my styling, my grooming, my walking, and because people observe me. Yes, I'm professionally a dentist, but passionate of being an actress, I dreamed for after getting graduated. So I want to achieve this. I'm here because I want to learn more about fashion because I'm in film industry.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Contestant number 10, please. What's your name?
Ishika Shetty.
Ishika, a title is a responsibility, as you know. And if you win the crown today, what would be your contribution to the society?
Thank you for the question. If I would win the title, I would like to involve in different programs like helping children and women in our society.
Okay, thank you.
Number 7. Yeah, boys. Attitude is most important part of fashion. Do you think attitude is most...
Thank you for the question, sir. I do think attitude is important, but I think confidence is much more important than attitude. Because confidence is something that, you respect your own abilities. So that's what confidence is. So I think confidence is much more important than attitude.
Thank you. And one more question to you only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And who's the, just a small question for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who's the Education Minister of Karnataka? Education Minister of Karnataka.
Mr. Krishna, sir.
No, GT Devgowda. So this is also an attitude. This you have to be knowledge. Okay. Yes. So it's not only the attitude. Yes. Knowledge is also important. Yes, okay. Agree, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Contestant number 9. Female.
Thank you for picking me, ma'am.
Thank you. If you saw a woman being eve teased in the crowd, what is your view about it and what would you do about it?
First of all, I would be really outraged that someone is doing something as heinous as eve teasing a woman in the public. And being a feminist myself, I strongly condemn such act. And if it were in my capacity to physically manhandle the person, I would surely do that or get someone, get help. And most of the time, if these eve teasers, they usually are not very bold. You just yell at them and then, they just let you go. So yeah, I would surely take an action. And I think everyone must do that instead of, accepting it as a fate and being helpless in such a situation. Thank you. It was a really good question, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good evening. Contestant number 3, boys. What's his name?
Vimal.
Vimal, what fashion means to you?
Fashion.
Fashion means to you?
Fashion, attraction.
Like
we can attract people by wearing clothes.
By fashion you can attract people?
Yeah.
That's it?
Fashion is attitude.
Then?
Fashion is everything.
Like
we can attract the people.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Contestant number 7, among the beautiful ladies.
Thank you for the question, ma'am.
You're most welcome. Well, my question is very simple for you. I just want you to tell me, what are you made up of?
What am I made up of?
Yes.
Okay, so it is really a tricky question. I can answer in any diverse, like physics, chemistry, biologically, emotionally, spiritually.
What comes to your mind when I when I say the question, when I ask you this question, whatever comes to your mind?
What am I made up of? I think I'm made up of mixture of everything, like moral from my parents, then knowledge which I'm getting from my course, and I would think I'm a mixture of everything, including love, care, affection, which I got from my mother, and also I'm a mixture of outcome of what I am doing and what I'm getting of it, basically failure and success in my life. So I'm outcome of that. So basically that's what I am. Like how I got failure in life a lot of times. I have been through a lot of situations, and also I have been to certain places where I don't belong to. I got rejected, as well as so many things all around. And also so many places like community as well as in college, women, now it is advanced though, but then right now also some of the factors are still there that women are not as equal as men. Sorry for raising this topic as such. It's not directly related though. But then, I think, still India has to grow in that aspect, because when I was in North, I'm not doing partiality between North and South, my personal experience. So when I came to South, all from North, so I experienced this thing that female are not as equal as men here. Though they have the same job, they are working in the same sectors, where industry, medical, engineer, teachers, everything. But then still somewhere or the other I felt so how my experience went on in life, whether good or bad, that's what I am made up of. So that's what I am basically.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
The batch number 3 in boys. Do you know that which character you can play if you are in a film industry?
Thank you for your question. I can play as a villain.
Villain? I don't think so. As we are seeing you, you can act like a Charlie Chaplin, definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I can be an actor.
Yeah, nice, thank you.
I want to call number 7 once again. Please.
Good evening once again, sir.
Yeah. Just I want to ask one question.
Yes, sir.
What fashion really mean to you? What fashion really mean to you?
Thank you for the question, sir. So, fashion for me is my passion. Okay, so I've been in a medical college so far. So, I was all alien. This world is entirely alien to me. You know, I'm not used to fashion. I was never used to it. But once I started walking on the ramp for my college fashion shows, I fell in love with it. Just the aura, just the atmosphere. I totally fell in love with it. Just the crowd, you know, you walking in the ramp alone. It was amazing. It was an amazing experience. So I'd like to
Wish
carry
you
on
all
with
the
that.
very best because you look like a model. So I asked you once again, and not only you, all the contestants are doing very well. And especially, I asked you twice a question. Why? Only because that the first question what I asked you, I was impressed. So once again, I asked you. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. You can ask as many number of questions you'd like. Thank you.
Contestant number 11, please. The beautiful girl there. What's your name?
My name is Shafali.
Shivani?
Shafali.
Shifali, what is your greatest strength and how that got you here as a finalist today?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. My greatest strength is what I believe in myself. And the next thing is, my greatest strength is the God Almighty. I believe that if He's here, if I pray to Him, He always listens to me. So my greatest strength is I believe in God and I believe in myself. And what got me here was my dream from a very long time. Since I was a kid, instead of watching any cartoon TV or maybe Pogo, I used to watch only fashion TV. And I used to walk on the ramp and just aim for the crown.
All the best for your fashion.
Thank you, ma'am.
My question is to contestant number 7, gents, boys.
Good evening, all.
Good evening. How are you feeling today?
Superb, ma'am.
Which place are you for?
I'm from Bengaluru.
Bengaluru. Okay. Recently, there has been quite an event in Mangalore. I mean, there has been flooding with a lot of effects in here. If you were to win the crown, what would you do to make Mangalore flood-free?
First of all, the basic needs, ma'am. Water, food, and clothes. So many of them, as I was an employee with Indigo Airlines, I have been into 60K. We had a corporate care. So we had been to an airport where it was flooded. I'm in Chennai. Chennai, 2 years back, it was flooded. So we as a 60K members, we had to go there, help them out in the airport. Many of the passengers were stuck in the airport for more than 3 days. So we went there as a rescue mission, helped them to get their basic needs, water, whatever we carried from our place, and helped them and gave free service to take them through whatever means we could, like any transport. And same thing I would do to Mangalore. I would do all the thing I can capable of.
So this is your message to the Mangalore youth to support when there is flooding?
Yes, when there's flooding, we have to support. As a youth, you are supposed to help.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Condition number 1. Yeah. What is the best compliment you got? From who and for what?
You're sportive, you're successful, and you're an athlete. That makes you perfect. This is the best compliment I got from my lecturers from St. Aloysius College, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Contestant number 11 among the guys.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. Well, what if you are the only survivor in a plane crash and you find yourself in a dense forest? How would you go about?
Sorry, I didn't get.
What if you are the only survivor in a airplane crash and you find yourself in a dense forest. How would you go about?
First, I will check any other people are still alive and help them to come out with me. That's it.
What if you are the only survivor?
Come on. Excuse me.
Yeah.
You can speak in Kannada also, no issues.
Yes.
Would you try escaping? Or would you plan and stay there? So, what would you do? Or would you find yourself another beautiful darling there? So, what would you do? Anything, you can answer anything. I'm not going to judge you or on what kind, or on whether the right answer is right or wrong. You can say anything what you feel.
First, I would like to ask her, she's.
Thank you.
Content batch number 4 in girls.
Good evening, jury.
Recently, there was a plane crash. Where it was, you know that?
Thank you for your question, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I really don't know the answer.
It was in Mumbai, Ghatkopar. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
This is for contestant number 4 from the ladies. Can you come back, please?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah. Are you nervous?
No,
This
not
is an
really.
easy question, yeah?
Thank you, ma'am.
So tell me a super duper idea how you could enable all caste to live in harmony without any intercaste hatred.
Ma'am, could you repeat?
How would you enable people in Mangalore and in India, because we are a country with so much diversity, how would you enable all caste and creed to live as one religion? In the sense there's no religion in here.
I actually believe that a person who has his own religion, it's his own belief and he's what he's made of. And if I have to change someone, as you said that as the diversity that I have to change everyone into one religion, I don't really think...
I mean, not one religion, to live under one roof without any religion issues. Like how would you get the people not to have any of this, like Hindu, Muslims and all that issues, and live under one roof happily without any religion issues?
I feel that for a person to be independent, it all takes that he should have a good and a positive thinking. If you have hatred towards the others, that's where the whole problem lies. If there is a good and a positive thinking about another person, or it can be a religion or any sort of it, it doesn't need, everyone could actually live under a roof. But it all lies in our mind about what we think, what others are. People judge each other so easily that we come into conclusion, and that's where the hatred lies. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Male number 11, once again come.
Hello, sir.
Very simple question for you.
Yes.
Who is your role model and why?
Hrithik Roshan is my role model, and
He's a good actor, he's a good dancer, so right? And even he is a model too.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
I want to become like him, so I like.
Thank you.
Contestant number 2 from the May.
Thank you for picking me, ma'am.
Hi. What's your name?
Vidhatri.
Vidhatri. Can you describe yourself in 3 words so that I can give you a 10 on 10?
Okay. First thing, first point I would like to tell about myself is that, to describe about myself is that I'm a replica of my mom by nature. So whatever the good and the bad, especially the good quality she has, I own it by the genes. Second one, my patience. I'm very patient and I'm very persistent in what I do. And third, I'm a combination with beauty and brains. So these are the three things which I would like to describe about myself.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'd like to pick contestant number 4 among the guys.
Thank you for picking me up, ma'am.
You're most welcome. My question is quite very simple, I think, compared to my previous ones. What do you see when you stand in front of the mirror? What do you see when you stand in front of the mirror?
When I stand in front of the mirror, I see myself. I see how I am and how I want to be.
Thank you.
Thank you.
6 from male.
Hi. Hi, sir.
Hi. Just a simple question to you.
Yeah.
Who is your favorite director and why in Tulu film industry? I'm asking you.
Rajamouli.
I'm asking you in Mangalore, Tulu.
In Tulu, I don't know.
Who is your favorite director and why?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know. Okay, fine. Okay, other question.
Yeah.
Who is your godfather?
My father.
Thank you.
Contestant number 6 in female.
Judy?
Yeah. What is the meaning for you is a bold and beautiful?
Okay. So, for me, bold and beautiful is a combination of brain and the inner essence. I have few idols like Priyanka Chopra, Sushmita Sen, Aishwarya Rai. They are beautiful, at the same time, they are intellectual. So I truly follow them, and someday, in some point of time, I would like to become like them.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
This is for contestant number 10, female. Okay. What is the impact of GST on you and your state?
Thank you for the question. I guess GST has brought a lot of problem with people because of the because a lot of tax was added for everything. So I guess not.
According to the beauty industry, do you think your dresses have become more expensive?
Yes. Yes, it has.
And what about the food and to the state, to the banks? Do you think it was a good move?
No, I guess it's not a good move.
Okay.
Thank you.
A female, 5. Number 5, yeah, you.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah, hi.
Hello.
Do you think you can become Miss Karnataka today and why?
Yes, because I focus on positivity. I feel so I can. Because I have the talent, confident, and that beautiness within me.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Contestant number 10, guys.
Thanks for opting me, ma'am.
You're most welcome. I'm sure you would call yourself, but my question is, why would you call yourself a true Kannadiga?
Ma'am, it is something where I have born, and the love towards our language, how we use in our daily life. We should use the language as much more as possible, as it is our mother tongue and mother language of our state. And it is only the Karnataka is a state which has a flag all over India, and it is only Kannada where stays only in Karnataka, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Contestant number 3, female. So this is to check your confidence level. If you were to propose a guy over here, behind you, who would it be? Why would you propose and how would you propose?
Okay. This is just to answer the question. That's like, as my choice, like I know, like normally all the girls like is like good physique, and even the person is humble, plus he's very helpful, and he has, I have never seen, like, should not have so much of attitude, like the bad attitude, not like the negative and positive attitudes. So it's like, I would choose Akash.
And that's contestant number. So he's coming down to you. You could propose. Yes, go ahead.
My question is for contestant number 2 among the guys. The ladies are all done. This would be my favorite question.
Okay.
Who is your dream date and why?
Would you please repeat it?
Who is your dream date and why?
Yeah.
Whom would you like to go on a date with? And why?
I like to go with the date of my very close friend, and I personally like it because she's very attractive, caring, helpful, and she's the one who always encourages me whenever I fall down, and she always like, do it, you can do it, and you will surely will do it. And something that pressure she puts on me, that today it made me to come here. Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you.
I thought you would pick me, but anyways. And it's a dream date, not your life partner. Thank you.
Actually, I would have picked you, but
No, I'm not now interested because I don't want to be the second one. I want to be the first pick. Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Contestant number 5. What's your name?
Pritesh Acharya.
From?
Sulya.
Okay, so you know Tulu. Tulu barpunda?
Barpunu.
Okay. Tulu to ista ina padyo. Konjeleja?
Marton.
Hindi runda?
Hindi barpune niji.
Okay, Kannada. ಒಂಜಿ ಪದ್ಯಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಜಾ ಒಂಜಿ ಪದ್ಯಲ ಗೊತ್ತುಜಾ
ಚಂದ 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 ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
That is Mr. Karnataka International 2018. And may I please request Shri Mustafa Khan for 5-star properties to kindly join us on stage and present the award for the same, Mr. Hanson. Each of the winners, may I please request you, once you receive the sash and the title, of course, to kindly walk up in front so that we have good photographs, and of course you can use them too. Mr. Handsome, put your hands up. It will be Abhishek Belluri. A round of applause, please, everyone. Now you'll have to smile, all right?
Runway, style, fame. She likes fashion.
Congratulations, Abhishek. Mustafa ji, आप वहीं पे रहिएगा. Abhishek, you can please walk back and join us. And now the subtitle, Mr. Elegant Look, and it will go to Sai Ram R. Pujari. I would now like to request Ms. Sylvia, the Managing Director for Crossworld, to kindly join us on stage to present the next set of subtitles, please. And Mr. Iconic Eyes will be JP Ritwik. Now we have the award, which is going to be the Mr. Trendsetter. And put your hands up. It goes to Pritesh Acharya. Congratulations again. Sylvia ma'am, please do stay back. One more award that you'll have to present. Mr. Attractive Smile, put your hands up for the ever smiling Shravan PC. Congratulations again, and thank you so much, Sylvia ma'am. Up next, for the next two subtitles, may I request Shubh Kiran Mani to join us on stage, please, for Sizzling Guys Dance Crew. The next award is going to be Mr. Ramp Walk, and this one will go to Darshan Kumar. We have the next award to present, and may I please request Shri Santosh from Leeds to join us to present the next subtitle, please. Now, welcome you, sir. And now we have the subtitle, which is going to be Mr. Talented. Please put your hands up, Chetan Devraj. To present the next award, may I please request Shri Arun Kudla to kindly join us on stage, please. Shri Arun for Colors Kudla to join us to present the next award. And the award there for Mr. Mangalore, the subtitle, please put your hands up, Darshan Bhandari. There can be same names, similar pronunciations, and of course our participants are nervous to know what the results are. So certainly excitement can lead to miscommunications there, and we will certainly have the rightful award, Mr. Ramp Walk, which had to go to Darshan Kumar, which will be presented later in a bit. But now we have Darshan Bhandari receiving his rightful award, which is Mr. Mangalore. And to present the next award, which is going to be subtitled Mr. Active, can I please request Mrs. Gauri to join us on stage, please, who will be representing Moti Mahal for us here. And the subtitle Mr. Active goes to Akash Bhatt. There we go, Mr. Active Akash Bhatt. We also have the next award, the next subtitle, which is going to be Miss Confident, and let's find out who wins this. We would like to request Gauri to stay back to present the award for this one too. Mr. Confident, a round of applause, Abhijit P. Nair. And the next subtitle is going to be Mr. Healthy Hair, and we'll find out who wins this. After which the subtitles for the women will take place, and then of course we'll find out who wins season 3 of Mr. and Miss Karnataka International 2018. Welcome you again, sir. Mr. Healthy Hair, and the winner is Vimal Bolar. We'd like to request Lakshman Kundar to stay back to present a special subtitle that has been initiated, which is V for Mr. Mangalore, and this subtitle is being presented to JB Ritwik. Can I please request Sri Kishan from Viradya to join us on stage to present the next award, please? The subtitle are done with, but we have a small correction. Like I said, Mr. Ramp Walk and Darshan Kumar wins this, and it was just probably hearing communication that went wrong. A round of applause, please. It gets corrected. The rightful winner there, Mr. Ramp Walk, Darshan Kumar. The proud mother of Sonal Montero, as well as Mrs. Anupama Charan Suvarna, to please join us on stage for this, please. And now, like I said, the first award, Miss Beautiful Eyes. Put your hands up, Sushma Nirola. Miss Ramp Walk, put your hands up, Ripple Rai. Again. Thank you so much, Anupama ma'am and Geeta ma'am.
Party. Style. Fame. Glamour. Runway.
To present the next awards, may I please request Sri Yashpal from Mangalore Central to join us on stage. The next one, Miss Talented, and this goes to Simpita Nayak. Congratulations. The next award, Yashpal sir, please do stay back. Well, it's Miss Beautiful Smile, a dentist herself, Dr. Janvi Jyoti.
Party. Style. Fame. Glamour. Runway. Style.
Thank you so much, sir. To present the next awards, may I please request, he's always been a staunch support and currently with Renault, Shri Rezwan, to kindly join us on stage, please. And he will present the subtitle, Miss Body Beautiful, and this goes to Amrita. Congratulations again. The next subtitle, Miss Perfect 10, which will be presented. Rizwan sir, please do stay back. We have one more award that has to be presented by you. Thank you, Rizwan sir. To present the next set of subtitles, can I please request Sri Paulos for Global TV to join us on stage? Next subtitle is Miss Healthy Hair. And put your hands up, it goes to Frida Arana. Congratulations. Thank you so much, Sri Paulos. May I please request Jane Raj Shetty from Moti Mahal to please join us on stage. We'd like to welcome him to this event and also request him to present a subtitle to one of our female contestants. Welcome you, sir. The next award, which is Miss Confident, put your hands up, Vidatri K. Sahukar. Congratulations. And to present the next set of subtitles, once again, thanking Moti Mahal for being such great partners with the venue. We'd now like to request Sri Sandesh and Sachin Shetty for Team Amer Polisa to please join us on stage to present the next subtitle, which is Miss Fashion Icon. than 50 people here. I do not see even 10 people clapping, which is a little disappointing for Mangalore. Come on, let's all applaud for the subtitle winners. Congratulations and thank you so much, Sandesh and Sachin. To present the next award, which is subtitled Miss Multimedia, may I please request Manju Rai to come forward on stage, please. And the subtitle goes to Shafali Saldana. And now to the last subtitle for the year. Thank you so much, Manju Rai. To present the last subtitle for the evening, may I please request our hat-trick director Suraj Shetty to join us on stage, please. And now the subtitle, let me repeat, Miss Mangala goes to Amanda June Lasrado. Congratulations on winning the subtitles there to all the participants. very pleased to have our choreographers here with us. Like you all know, she's ensured that she tried her best with the participant she has in hand with the given short span of time. A round of applause to Ms. Bhumika Bandari Agarwal. Thank you so much. One nick of call and he's always there. Rizwan sir has quickly come back, who was about to go out for his dinner. Thank you so much, sir. Sorry we called you back for a minute or two, but yes, thank you so much. We wouldn't be doing justice if we do not have the jury and the judging panel on stage to present the winners and the runners-up for the same. Can we please request all the participants, 11 each, 22 of you, to please join us on stage, take your positions, and also requesting a judging panel and 3-member jury to join us on stage, accompanied by the very beautiful Miss Archana Gautam.
Main stage con una remera que dice RAW, R-A-W.
The judging panel and jury take the fronts and we will announce who the winners are. We begin with the boys. Mr. Karnataka International 2018 first, followed by the women. And may I please request the runners-up as well as the winner, as your names are announced, to kindly walk up till where our jury is and receive your respective prize or honor. And yes, you will walk a step ahead for the pageants that will follow. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Karnataka International 2018, second runner-up, please put your hands up, Abhijit Nair.
Live from the Tomorrowland Festival in Belgium.
Congratulations there, Abhijit Nair, the second runner-up, Mr. Karnataka International 2018. And now the first runner-up for the year. A round of applause, Akash Bhatt. Congratulations. And now coming to the winner of the season, Season 3, Mr. Karnataka International 2018. Please put your hands up, Sairam Pujari. He also wins an additional gift vouchers from Sterling Holidays and Mangalore Central, requesting Shri Yashpal and Aman for Mangalore Central and Sterling Holidays respectively to join us on stage. The winners have another exciting offer where we will have Ms. Rashmi Rao grooming the winner, the female and the male contestant. Whoever wins it, of course, we have the male winner with us, Sai Ram. The lady contestant who wins the title too will have a special grooming voucher that they receive from Ms. Rashmi Rao. And now we come to Miss Karnataka International 2018, and the second runner-up, make some noise, Amrita. To the first runner-up of Miss Karnataka International 2018. A round of applause, Rimple Rai. We are just one step away from knowing who the winner of Miss Karnataka International 2018 is. But like I said, there are so many of you who have joined hands with Fashion ABCD to make this a grand success. And we would like to thank all of them. Josna for being associated with us and helping us throughout. Thank you so much. The ever beautiful and of course we call her the teenage icon, Joshita. Thank you so much. Also thanking Darren for all his coordination and support. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Miss Karnataka International 2018, like I said, apart from the trophy and the crown and the sash and representing Karnataka in the future pageants across the country, she will be also winning special gifts from Mangalore Central as well as Sterling Holidays, and at the same time Ms. Rashmi Rao, who will have an exclusive grooming and styling session with them. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands up for the winner of Season 3, Miss Karnataka International 2018, Dr. Janvi Jyoti. who the winner is, but yes, the winner wouldn't be here if not for the participants, each one of them who gave their best throughout. Can we have a round of applause for all the participants, please? The 11 boys and 11 girls who competed very, very sportively, and I'm sure have become friends too. So may this friendship long continue. And we know, of course, the winners are carrying a lot of prizes and vouchers home. So congratulations once again.